televidente, bom-vindo a outra edição de TimeOut. Agora em TimeOut, nós um grande norte junto conosco diretamente for de Itália, um rubiano papiano italiano no momento aqui. Nós se referimos ao nosso amigo Andre Bryson, que ele está jogando basquetebol profissional na Itália no momento aqui, junto com seu coach, com Antonio Dalbo, que eu conheci aqui no Rio, por certo. Agora nós vamos para TimeOut. Cortica, assim aqui, nós bem back, nós estamos conversando com tanto Andre e Antonio. Televidente, danke para quedar junto conosco. Nós estamos junto com Andre Bryson e Antonio Dalbero. Lá que nós começamos com Andre. Andre, boa tarde.
Boa tarde, boa tarde. Boa tarde, boa tarde.
Tremendo, tremendo. You're Antonio Dalbero, right?
Yes.
You was here in Aruba once, a few years ago.
Yeah, I came the first time 9 years ago, and then I stayed many years to help with the federation and some clubs to coach them.
Okay. How did you contact? How came the possibility to sign Mr. Bryson?
Well, I know him since he was 14 years old. We started like a process with the federation, then with the clubs. And I always believe that there is a big potential there in Aruba for the guys. And we worked through the years and we stayed in contact. And this year there was the chance to bring him in a pro team. So I took it right away to try and give him a chance.
What is his core for basketball?
Well, Andre, he loves the basketball like many guys over there. And he always worked hard to follow his dream. And since the beginning, for me also was a dream to try to bring them to play pro. So Andre always push hard, work hard. He has a great shot, great dribbling, work hard in defense. So I think he deserved this chance, and we made it.
Andre, pa bien, brother. Pa bien, pues
Danke.
baton je promena. Ting ta kabila profissional por me ku, pero contanos, konhamo tim botongando be?
Valdarese Basket.
Valdarese. Que dia você começar o campeonato?
Ainda não tem dia oficial, pero nangabisa ko ita kumisa de 12 semanas de outubro.
Vou botar em training agora aqui?
Sim, nós estamos começando a treinar 4 de setembro, nós temos mais ou menos luna e meio para treinar para o meu campeonato. Agora é uma cabeça de treino para o Claret.
Ai, tremendo. Entende, Andre, quanto bem para cima você treina?
Agora que nós também estamos treinando 3 dias para cima com o time. Pero Coach Antonio está trein muita mulher não, que está profissional também, então a nível da basta alto, dus ela bisa para me treinar junto com não para igual extra training
lo qual também eu pam.
Okay. Antonio,
Dus ja,
what are the chances?
bisa 4 biya pa si Mang ito.
Okay, Antonio, what are the chances that Andre will join the first team or your professional team of Valderese?
Yeah, he's already there. He's already there. He stepped really great in the first week, so we decided to put him there and to to start a job with him. So it's a process that start now, and during the season we see which level he got. So we are positive. We are positive. He already showed great stuff, so we're happy about him, and I'm sure that he will do great.
Tell us something more about the Valderese basketball team.
Yeah, it's a great club. Very has a lot of fans that follow us. We have always full stadium during the games. Many people come to watch us. Also, like in cities from 1 hour from here, they come to watch our games. It's an old club with a long story in a great place. It's a nice city. Uh, we live a lot from tourism, and we have many things during the year that attract people to come here to visit. For food, we are famous for the food that we cook here, and summer is full of people during the year. Winter, the carnival, we have a carnival here too. Not like Aruba, but we have our style. It's
Nice,
like
nice,
2 weeks also. Yeah, it's
nice,
shorter than yours, but I hope that will help Andre also to, to
nice,
stay here.
nice to hear that. Andre, quanto team tá jogando em liga que você vai jogar?
What am I punto coach? He asked how many teams there's in the competition.
It's like 12 teams. Yeah,
Just
12
those
teams.
teams.
Is it the top competition for them?
yeah, yeah. It's a pro league.
It's a pro league.
Yeah.
Oh, 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 oh. Televidente, la que no soy time out cortica, sino que no soy back los Dimasco. Andre Bryson y Antonio D'Albero directamente por de Italia.
Welcome to Holland. Welcome to the country of the world's most famous cows. This is where your Frisian flag milk comes from. Taste our nature at its best. Frisian flag. Discover the goodness of milk from Holland.
Televidente, danke perché non conosco, sono con Antonio D'Albero y Andre Bryson directamente por Italia. D'Albero está jugando para el equipo de Valderese, de Italia, en el Pro League. Antonio, it's not easy to break through in a Pro League. How do you see the future for this guy, Andre?
I really believe in him. So since the beginning, since he was a young playing with the youth teams, I already believed in him. I saw in him a future, more because mentally he can be ready. Maybe not today, but tomorrow I'm sure he will make it. I'm working on him also on the mentality, on the culture of the game. To be tough. We have a lot of practice here. In Aruba, maybe less. Here we practice morning and afternoon. I take him always with me, taking extra practice too to get better, but more because on the mentality. Here is tough. Practice is tough. Games are tough. A lot of people come to watch us. We have a lot of media that follow us, and he has to be ready in all the aspects of the job, so inside and outside the court.
Andre, onde você quer abo mest improve?
Repetir.
Onde você quer que o abo mest improve, mest melhorar?
Yeah. Sempre vou melhorar tu coisas, pero a mim personalmente me quer melhorar mi shooting, me quer virar mais strong, me quer melhorar mi condição também, passo me sai nível tá mais alto, então sem condição, bueno, é hunga basta bom, hunga largo nem yega, então yeah. Saya te konang mas mi can improve dus mi condition mi shooting.
Do you see, Antonio, sorry, Antonio, do you see this gentleman become one of your aces?
Sorry, what is it?
Do you see Andre becoming one of your aces in the team?
Sure, totally. I'm totally sure about that. I believe in that, and he knows. He knows that. He knows that he has me on the side, but he knows that I never give something for free. He knows that every second he has to deserve it. He has to work hard. I'm really tough on him. Since he
Wow.
was a kid, also with the other guys in Aruba, they know me. But they know that when they work hard, they receive it back, and I'm really happy to have him here because this first week he's doing great. So I'm really happy.
You know, I will try to get in contact with you guys when the competition starts over there, so we can keep everybody, uh, keep them, let them know how Andre is doing. Andre,
Yeah.
você senti bom na casa hoje?
Si hendo nang kinanta basta carinhoso, nanta ayudaba ko tukos, nanta make sure turcos ta okay kubo. Nanta hasta ora bo cabi como nanta bun trabo si bo que mais, dus tukos ta bom tureta leave matches. Anta ya mi ta gustando. Te a oi ta basta bom.
Na onde você está quedando?
Mi ho kuma abli
Na onde você está quedando?
na Borgo Valitaro, na Itália.
Leu foi onde você treina?
Eta ya kana basta cerca canando mita kana di una mita queda 5 minutos anto mita llega anto ya eta basta cerca eta estado basta chiquito dus ya maioria de gente conhece outro dus eta bayendo basta bom.
Great, contento de ter para Felipe. Yes, Antonio.
In the city, he lives downtown, so he has the best place.
That's nice. That's nice. That's nice to hear, because he has to adapt in certain areas, I think.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ya comida tá um tique diferente pero
Pizza?
ya hopi pasta, hopi pizza e nanta cozinha basta bom. Nós tá come com o time, dus nada come comida tá bom também. Diz me está costumar com o nome não de comida, então já não tá, mas assim a mim compro papel italiano, dus esse aí tá bom também.
Or nos
But you know,
Sorry?
everyone likes Italian food, so that's not a big problem, not a big issue for him. Ice cream, he already tested the ice cream, so
Oh, that's nice.
he knows the way.
Nice to hear that, because it's nice to have a good communication between a player and a coach, and in your case, it's so, right?
Yes, yes, it is. I mean, we always have been in touch. Also, when we have been far, because you know, this is my job. I have been in different countries, but also when we were far, also with other guys and players in Aruba, we always shared our experience. I always gave them drills to do, exercises to keep working hard, to keep them always ready for that.
Okay.
And that's great also for the basketball over there.
Thank you. Televidente, wow, diretamente for de Itália. Andre Bloodballer Bryson, com Antonio D'Albero, que é coach D'Albero, que é coach de Andre Bryson, e time de Valderese, um pro team que tem na Itália, desejando na tour classe de Exto. Andre, já que banda acaba, all success, brother. Não se parar para trás, 100%. Você sei, e Antonio, thank you very much what you're doing for our guy there in Italy. We appreciate that very much. We'll keep in touch with you.